This is the Sound Spike Sensor by GhostStop. In short, what this is basically a visual graph of sound. So along that ring, as you can see while I'm talking, it's lighting up the LEDs in correlation to a microphone picking up sound. What you're seeing over on the left-hand side, that red light over there, is essentially that's marking the high point of a spike. And it's going to hold that there for a while. The reason for that is so that you don't have to sit there and stare at this sensor all night. You know, maybe you catch this off the corner of your eye or at the other side of the room. This gives you an opportunity to come over to the sensor, see what happened, note where that marker is and how loud it was. This is a great companion to an EVP recorder. Obviously, if you see a spike here, you want to record that. It's also great with a video camera as well, so you can capture that audio and then visually be able to see this graph of the sound to correlate the two together. This also has a sensitivity adjustment knob on the bottom. So if you're in a room where the air conditioner is really loud, you've got a lot of cars driving by outside, you can essentially just adjust that sensitivity to account for all of that ambient sound that's coming through. This gives you the opportunity to pick up a range of sounds from, you know, loud crashing thing, maybe something fell, footsteps, knocking even, or even right down to a whisper. For more information on this or any other ghost hunting equipment, head on over to GhostStop.com.